convicts Ajay, son of BJP spokesperson Nongthombam Biren in Irom Roja murder case. Quantum of sentence to be announced on January 11th. Gaikangam downplays BJP's claim that the party will form the next government. CEO asked the Chief Secretary to give information on alleged gross violation of Model Code of Conduct in recruitment and promotion in Manipur. 42nd Foundation Day of Manipur Press Club held. Chief Secretary Nabakishore stresses role of media in democracy. And Manipuri women hold discussion on Manipur today and tomorrow, stressing role of women in society. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjung with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The court has convicted Nongthombam Ajay, son of spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh Nongthombam Biren in Irom Roja murder case. The court will announce a quantum of sentence on January 11th. Ajay was convicted under IPC Section 304 Part 2, culpable homicide not amounting to murder by District and Sessions Judge Imphal West Maibam Manoj Kumar. The court will declare the sentence on the 11th of this month. Nongthombam Ajay was produced before the Court of District and Sessions Judge Imphal West under tight security. Family members of late Irom Roja were also present in the courtroom. Father of Ajay, Nongthombam Biren, was also present in the courtroom. When Ajay was brought to the court, people who were already present in the room tried to assault him. There were chaos in the room. Later, security personnel quickly took Ajay away to the court complex. It may be mentioned that Nongthombam Ajay has been accused of shooting Irom Roja for overtaking him in 2011 during Yaosang Festival on Tirim Road. Later, father of Ajay, the then Congress minister, and Biren surrendered his son to the police.
No, I cannot disclose my future plan, but my client accused is convicted under 304 Part 2 of IPC and under Section 27 of the Arms Act. And the sentence hearing is fixed on 11/1/2077. At this stage, I cannot disclose the future plan. The quantum of sentence will be discussed on 11/1/2017.
I do is justice never. Justice adu talk piro si kata never. I human being the hingabadi. Mio in hingagadi. Hey, Isa Kangde, Ambisa Kangde, Amo Kangde. Justice is a Malay Hibase. She Tangdi, Pajamayam Sida, Masidi Kangani.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has downplayed the claim of President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda that the BJP will form the next government in Manipur. Speaking to media persons at his official residence in Babupara, Gaikangam said the claim proves that Bhavananda is a novice in politics. He said it's okay for the BJP president to have hopes. Ultimately, it is the people who decide which party to be voted to power, and the people of Manipur trust the Congress party. Gaikangam said in the present context, he does not see more than 4 or 5 BJP candidates winning the election. He asserted that in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections, Congress party will win with a thumping majority to form government for the 4th consecutive term. The Deputy Chief Minister also said the present economic blockade is different from the previous ones. He expressed his doubt about the centre and NSC and IM being covertly involved in the current economic blockade. He, however, hoped that the blockade will end now that the election schedule has been announced.
Ikai Kumnajaraba BJP State Unit ki President Haibaduma Madu Aran Bukigani, Ras the Lamsda, Kui Yaruk Tritana, Adanama, Pass history mayam to Kangba Wat Pagira, Natagada, Ras Dini Haidanakra, so mayam Sibu, Mislit Tonoma, and Kalaga, now because the Kangde Mokogi. Mong study Pazasing Yarakadava Mandi and Kanjaba. Lamsam Pangang with Lam Kanakana Kagan in Haidadi, hybriding Amdavan in Hosiko. 2017 election Matung Samohana. Thumping majority Pangaga, Sakase hanna paigani ada hauki ba matam gi blockade ka hanaka blockade se kitang khitnaba handaki blockade asina BJP ga NSN IM ga even C ga makoi se hening globe lainaba dawna tawba ikai khumna jaraba BJP.
The Deputy Chief Minister also reacted to an exclusive interview by Impact News with the UNC leaders asking for proof that the UNC and NSC and IM are involved in the blockade. He said the public are aware that the UNC is a branch of NSC and IM without whose support they would not have been able to carry out bomb or gun attacks. He questioned if the UNC is an organization that uses guns and bombs. The state government has returned to the center to intervene to end this blockade.
Chin haibadun di pangai haiba yaina ko modu haiba la praman to pibio naharon jaude NSN IM jaude ba to proof na pibio na se highway ani sida essential commodity puri ba ban blockade ge manung da puri ba no mai kap so modu even system mai lei ra jala kap ri ba threaten tori ba mayama sibai sing se encounter tore the threat kan tori ka tori ba mayama se masida bomb top yauri ba sibo masibo NSN IM mata lan hoba yaudi haigedra ba adu makoi si jim yauri jala bomb top yaura bra maduna proof pi badi NSN yaui han takpani haibani da.
Gai Khangam also expressed his condolence at the demise of Professor Gangumai Kamai. He said it is not only a loss for the Zaliarong community but the entire Manipur. He said Gangumai was not only active during his younger days as a student in building the state but also contributed to the state in a huge way as a professor and minister.
He was a great historian. He was a true social worker also. Sukumba leader ama aiko gi irakta lekhidaba ase koi Zaliangrong isinau singi daba mangjabata natana Manipur ese hogi mangjabani hadana ai thamjaningi loina masi ahoba se menkhapa ngamoidaba adugumba vacuum ama ma lekhidaba sina maram oidana create ta hore hadana thamjaba ko loina magi atma shanti hoina isor mafamda pothajaba phangjanaba isor mafamda thoni jari.
BJP Thamaiban Mandal has also condoled the untimely demise of former BJP leader and tribal leader Professor Gangumai Kamai. In a press release, the party said the party recalled the contribution as Gangumai as condolence meeting held at the residence of M. Porot Singh at Nagamapal, Maishnam, Laikai. Family and TRC Pom, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland held a condolence service of late Professor Gangumai Kamai at his residence in Major Khuld. Former Chief Minister of Manipur Radha Binod Koijam, spokesperson of North Eastern Council NEC Shillong, K.S. Anthony and many distinguished personalities took part in the condolence service. Radha Binod said the passing away of Gangumai Kamai is not only a loss for the Zaliarong community but for entire Manipur. He also appreciated the works of the professor in his lifetime. Speakers appreciated his contributions for the development of all communities in the state. Messages from various civil society organizations across India were also read out during the service. Funeral songs and devotional songs were also performed. The mourners offered silent tribute as a mark of respect and floral tributes to the portrait of the late professor. After the condolence service, his mortal remains were taken to Namching Khol in Kaithal Manbi. The funeral will be held there.
Professor Gangumai gave a very deep insight into the history of Manipur. Gana gumba kambu amana Manipur ki history karino. Aikoi kanwai hauri, aikoi kanwai laki, kadai degi laki, adu kanwai hauri gai na maduni tijana paraba tijalaba without bias, without prejudice, not with self-interest, to advance one's own interest. Not objectively paragadi, there would be harmony. There would be peace. So it is necessary for us to understand the history of Manipur as given by Professor Gangumai in his books.
Zaliarong Union Assam, Manipur and Nagaland has condoled the death of Professor Gangumai Kamai. In a condolence message, the union said Professor Gangumai Kamai believed in peace and devoted his life to promote communal harmony. Chief Electoral Officer Vivek Kumar Devagan has written to the Chief Secretary of Manipur in connection with the report sought by Election Commission regarding allegations of gross violence by Model Code of Conduct in recruitment and promotion of various departments in Manipur. The CEO wrote that ECI has expressed serious concern over several complaints being received of promotions and appointment orders offered of appointments to new recruits being served with back date to escape from the Model Code of Conduct. The CEO asked the Chief Secretary to submit the information including promotions, appointment orders issued since January 2nd, 2017, recruitment promotion interviews DPC conducted after 12 noon of January 4th, 2017 by various departments and organizations. In view of the upcoming assembly polls, District Magistrate of Kangpokpi, T. Ranjit has ordered the license holders of arms of the district to deposit their arms and ammunition at the nearest police station. In a press release, the district magistrate stated that institutional license holders like banks and financial institutions and national members of the Rifle Association in the district will be exempted from this order. DC Churachandpur Lunmintang Haukib held a meeting with representatives of all political parties at his office today. He briefed representatives on announcement and notification dates, details of SAE 2017, MCCC, IT softwares, rate chart of expenditure calculation, e-postal ballot process, etc. The 42nd Foundation Day of Manipur Press Club was celebrated today at Manipur Press Club. In a speech as the chief guest, Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore stressed the role of media in a democracy. He said journalism is evolving day by day and commended the quality of both in print and electronic media of the state. Nabakishore appealed to media to give more emphasis on investigative journalism. He also mentioned that journalism can be developed if a journalist academy is established in the state. The Chief Secretary maintained that the media houses should pay adequate salaries to media persons. He also urged the concerned people to develop smartphone apps that will enable users to keep themselves informed with local news. He also assured of all possible help from the government in setting up a journalist colony. Commissioner of Information Shri K. Radha Kumar said the need of the hour is objective assessment and reporting. He also appreciated the role of media in the society. Commissioner K. Radha Kumar, DGP LM Kaute and AMJU President Wangkhemcha Shyamjai were among those present at the event.
Sonia for gold medalist. Champion gold
Media House su makoisu partner am oifam thoi state amasung people na kana baduna, that is one side of the story ni journalist ki pau si yaudana mai advertise so chaloi drevni adu ragadi makoi na journalist sing si da pifam thoi ba mai kusuman hai tare masi matik chana ai pifam thok pran khali press ke housing colony ma tawa government of India rege mai dong na mating pina bagi khari hai ne koi MJU na chalu re donor ministry re kana tore Maduki Tuna koi PWD khangde ama khangde taraga hujiki hariba DPR ro saraga madu tharaga maduki kanodo tawbudo koi mating pangjage.
One-day workshop on digital payment systems was organized by National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Imphal Senapati Extension Center on Go Cashless, Go Digital today at Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Moirangkom, to promote digital payment systems and cashless transactions. Director Megha Chandra Kongbam and staff of DIPR attended the workshop. An unidentified armed man fired at a person who works as a field assistant at veterinary department. He was shot in the leg and thigh. The incident occurred yesterday evening around 6 at Maringpai village in Palel, Tingnopal district. The injured man has been identified as D.S. Stephen, son of late Morungkam. Sources said the armed man entered his house when he was about to have meal. He was rushed to Zeevan Hospital, Kaching, and then shifted to Shija Hospital and Research Institute, Langol. No one has so far claimed responsibility for the attack. The stretch of Kaishampa Thokchom Laikai road towards Wahingbam Laikai is in a deplorable state, causing a number of accidents. This stretch has been causing inconveniences to the commuters since half of the level is lower than the other half. Stones laying scattered on the road have also worsened the situation. Locals claim this part of the road was left during repairs since it was submerged under water. When the water dried up, women of the locality requested the authorities numerous times to repair it, but in vain. They had even protested by blocking half of the road. The locals are demanding the road to be repaired at the earliest before the casualties due to accident increased. They threaten to intensify agitation if no action is taken at the earliest.
Mapi mapa laitaba laikai amu oina akoina ngahak laitane accident thoe thokpa se akoini yengma ngamjadare aduna akoina mari lainaba sarakar da khangde amada khangde akoina department ama khangde akoina han khongcha wakat khong kano mayam phamja kare ngasi bau manu da han yengbiradre masigi makha tarakpada akoina yengbiradre taragadi akan ba khongjang changjin baga loina na akan ba mong da khoi mayam protect to baina lemnare
accident hoise akoina pukhatpada doctor pukhatpada mi mari manga sure moi nong da la yingchalade do athu matamda MLA ge site ge ra karino government site ge la ga masi lution bi wana natraga de khoisu club na nupi sing gi mateng pang boina nupi sing lo ko step ta khoisum lawni an leji
akhoi na ngasi lejari ba mafam ase wahengbam lekai ta khibagi Kaisampa Thokchom lekai mapadani mafam asida lambi mapa asi asuki matik phatabana accident toina thokpagi thodok yam leikre asiba masung asokpa masing yamna leikre mamiyam nasu mafam ase yengbiu lambi gi sigi mapa asi asuki matik phatre adugi mathakta lambi asi improper labeling amana khara wangkhatlaga amana khitang nemtharaga aduga wangkhatpadagi khitang nemtharakpa mapa ase su nung adaidi achawa choba nung mayam tabana yamna thira phattama mafam am oire mafam asigi miyamna pamjari basi lambi ase sembiu asiba asokpa masing hengalakringaida yamna thuna midyeng changbiu haibasini camera person Aribam Nisi Sarma galoina na paudam jaribe Vidyarni Thinguzam Impact News Imphal.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Tata Shakti G6 Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti ki product ni. Tata Shakti ki product sing state asigi district khudimuk ki retail outlets sing da fangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polem Laikai, Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016, including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I think success is Angel Coaching Yarn
My mother had a cardiac arrest. We lost hope because we have visited so many hospitals and they were unable to help us. Thankfully, Sky Hospital came to our rescue by not only saving the life of my mother, but also giving her utmost care with the help of ventilator support by Dr. Shyam Kishore and his team of expert doctors and nurses. They were able to help her gain consciousness and now she is improving. So I'd like to thank Dr. Shyam Kishore and the entire staff of Sky Hospital.
The pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Sunflower Play School Chimanong Konani Kara admission open for 2017 for daycare, pre-nursery, nursery KG, monthly fee for daycare rupees 550 per month, monthly fee for pre-nursery, nursery rupees 400 per month, monthly fee pre-nursery, nursery plus daycare rupees 600 per month. CCTV camera operation in all the rooms. Post vacancy 2 teacher, 1 mother. Date of interview 9 January 2017. Section start from 6 February 2017. Van service available.
Fangbiragani Lakadoriba imoinu imagi ira thaunida tangai fadana changadoraba angobanga pengba amadi ngaton ngasimak order tobihau pengba amadi ngaton gidamak akaknaba stockni Fangfam S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. A discussion on the theme Manipur Today and Tomorrow was held exclusively for women at Lamyanba Shanglin Palace compound. The discussion was jointly organized by United NGOs, Mission Manipur, Women Action for Development, Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Northeast Dialogue Forum, Women Empowerment for Justice and Center for Social Development. In her speech at the event, former Dean of School of Social Sciences, Manipur University, Professor Khetri Bimola maintained that the responsibilities of women in the society increase with the demand of time. She said the women have become more independent. Bimola also said the unrest in the state affects the women more, and women need to understand their responsibilities towards the society. More than 700 people have rubbished the news gathered in local dailies yesterday that 1,180 voters of Yairipok Yambem support Andhra MLA T.H. Shyamkumar. A meeting of those people from Yairipok Yambem Ward number 2, 3, 4 and 5, whose names appeared in the paper yesterday, was held today at Yairipok Yambem, Mathaglaikai. Nahakpam Ramani claimed that the MLA had taken photographs and signatures promising loan, tin sheets and rice, however it was not related to elections. She stated that the MLA did not give whatever he promised. On the contrary, it's a shame that their names have been published in the papers saying they support the MLA, which is false. People who attended the meeting also raised various slogans against the MLA Shyamkumar.
Shyamkumar the MLA ko sawat khiba laite moina yum sabini adagi din pini ron pini ha do ko laira banina photo pikhalure ta sengna I isagi photo pikhajari ai aram jungang jaroi aduna mayam punamak akhoi Shyamkumar da sawat khiba laite aigi mingji kanana hapchanbirino aigi ming hapira ko mi jaidi hojiji ma yam khangjaningi machi yam thuna chingtokpiro.
29 Kumbi Congress election campaign. Kumbi constituency organized a one-day political conference at Kumbi Bazaar yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, Congress aspiring candidate from Kumbi and Ibobi said he decided to fight election to prove that people have not lost their confidence in Congress in their constituency. 5 BJP aspiring candidates in Kairao Assembly constituency have decided to support a candidate who gets the party ticket. The aspiring candidate took the decision at the 92nd birthday celebration of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee yesterday at Chanam Chandrok. The aspiring candidates are Gopen Thongram S. Lala and Itomba T. Samanand and T.H. Tony. National Board of Examination under Ministry of Health has allotted 2 seats of DNB Diplomat National Board in Plastic Surgery Direct 6 years course post MBBS starting from January 2017 session to CJ Hospitals and Research Institute Private Limited. CJ Hospitals is currently imparting 3 years postgraduate course in plastic surgery and is the only private institution in Eastern India having postgraduate training courses in plastic surgery. Election of Manipur University Students' Union MUSU will be held on the 10th of this month. Voting will take place from 8 a.m. till 12 noon at the School of Social Science, Old Block. Social Exclusion, Marginalization and Deprivation in Manipur, a book edited by Dr. Tej Bharat, was released today at Manipur University Court Hall. The book was published by Atal Shah Publishing House, New Delhi, with the help of Center for Study of Social Exclusion Policy, Manipur University. Speaking at the event, Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey said publication of new books will help the students.
When books are released and when books are coming, you may say that when good books are coming and students are going through it, then that will create a different atmosphere in the society, in the university and in the country as well. So such type of books and such type of attempts are needed in the society. Now the system has changed. We are going for these e-books, for internets, for other things. But even then, such type of books are very necessary.
The Nambol River in the heart of Imphal city is perhaps one of the most polluted rivers in the state when efforts are being made to make Imphal a smart city. The stretch of the river in Wahingbam Laikai Lairembi has been turned into a dumping ground. In some places, people use the water of the river for domestic purposes, but the dirty water of the river in this area will cause a serious health hazard to the people. When efforts are being made to protect and preserve the environment, including hills, rivers, and lakes in various parts of the world, they have remained ignored and neglected in Manipur.
Malengi atay mafam kaya da chingpat turel kannabagi damak khongthang kaya ihau kaya haurabasu Manipur da di masi phagi magum oiri. Manipur gi turel sing yenglu bada dustbin amot pahumdokpham ama oiri. Akhoi na ngasi lezari base masjid road ki na maning thangba Wahingbam Laikai Lairem gi na mamang thangbagi Nambul turel mapadani. Mafam asida mayam su ubirangani. Mafam asigi amot akai sing ase jaga Nambul turel gi mapa asimak dustbin achauba amagum amot akai hundokpham achauba amagum oire. Masai sida akhoi na hangjaninga bidi masi kanana thohan bano. Akhoi isa dagi hohan bangaktani masi amot akai sing hundokpa masi amot akai hundokpa masi kanana thohan bano mioi amana mas akhoi masen taina bagi mahuta masi kanana thohan bano do matam chana khanthaba matam oire matang swaisida hangngingliba wahang amana masi akhoi na thohan bani akhoi na huzik mityeng changba matam oidribara Imphal city bu smart city ama oina ba kanna semgat libagi tangkak asida Asigumba phibam asi laibasinadi smart city oibagi mahutta masi hena motsilakba city ma oinabagi lambi da changsilibra. Camera person Aribam Nisi Sarmagaloina na Paudam Zaribi A Bidyarni Tinguzam Impact News Nambul Tudel Mapal Imphal.
RPF PLA condoled the death of PLA's Executive Committee member and Assistant Chief of Army Staff Special Warfare Lieutenant Colonel Pishak, whose real name was Kondongbam Rameshwar. In a press release, RPF PLA Publicity Secretary of RPF Robin Kuman said Lieutenant Colonel Pishak joined RPF in 1986 to fight for independence of Manipur. He also served all the units, departments and stations condoled the death. Now the news from the world of sports. Nongchup Panasagol Kangjay Lup Team A Langjing have won the 4th running trophy state level open polo tournament. In the final match played at Langjing Achauba Sports Complex today, Nongchup Panasagol Kangjay Lup Team A Langjing beat Kurai Polo Club 6-3 to claim the title. For the winners, TH Kauba scored 4 goals while El Atangba and P. Ojit scored 1 goal each. For the runners-up, Rochar Jugindro and Roshan scored 1 goal each. The tournament was organized by Nongchup Panasagol Kangjay Lup. Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Kripsa Naramthong and Nambul Mapal Polo Club B beat their rivals today in the 33rd Men's State Polo Tournament. In the first match, Pari Khomba, Bronson and Suraj of Chinkai Hunba Polo Club scored 1 goal each to beat Thangmaiban Youth Polo Club 3-2. In the second match, Kripsa Naramthong Trust K and MM Riding School Singchamai 7-1. From the winning team, Dollar and Alex scored 3 goals each and Deepak scored 1 goal. And in the third match, Nambul Mapal Polo Club B defeated Tekcham Polo Club 6-5. For the winning team, Tarun scored 4 and Ibumcha 2 goals. Six-month non-residential football coaching organized by D.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy Tawung Kok kicked off today at the academy's ground. 93 boys between the age group of 10 to 17 are taking part in the coaching. Through this program, the academy has produced many national and international players since 2000. 3 coaches, Uttam Somarjit, who are AFC C license holders, and Loken, who has applied for AFC license, will coach the young players in the 6-month-long program. Wangjam Suresh, AK Malemnganba and Nonganba from the academy will be the Indian team in the upcoming Under-17 Boys World Cup football to be hosted by India.
The support of the parents is very, very important in today's world. Without the cooperation and support of the parents, it would not be possible for the academy to, in their endeavor to produce more and more football players from this academy. There will be many such personal problems for the players, and it is the concerted efforts of the parents in consultation with the members of the academy to sort out these problems so that these young footballers, they could attend this coaching camp regularly.
UKB Uchekun Kangkut B beat KLLK Kongbalashram Laikai Kangkut 135-111 in Mani Nahakpam Mangol Chow Thoidingtam and Kullabidu Haupam MMK Memorial Kang Tournament played today. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Kang Association at Community Hall, Kam Kang Shanglin in Kongbalashram Laikai. Salungpam will play against Langmai Thet on the 8th of this month. A 59-member Manipur team consisting of manager, coach and players left Imphal today for Indore to take part in the 27th National Canoe Sprint Championship 2016-17. Secretary of All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking Association in a press release said the team could not get railway concession due to the economic blockade and appealed to all to not call for bans and blockades in future. Young Physics Union Lalambung Makong condoled the demise of its founder, President Arambam Shyamkishore. The union in a press release said a special meeting was held to condole his demise. Model Club B Chingamaka won their first match of the first Tongbram Subol Memorial Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the league match today, winning the toss, Nauria Pakang Lakpa Sports Association elected to bat first and met 82 runs of 27 overs by losing all the wickets, thereby not completing the stipulated 30 overs. In reply, Model Club B Chingamaka scored 83 for 6 in 23 overs to win the match by 4 wickets. All-rounder of Model Club B Chingamaka, Denim, scored 17 runs and took 2 wickets and was declared the man of the match. Imphal West Veteran Cricket Club will meet Cyclone Thangmaiban tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School. Mama FC Sagolband and RFC Kamnam Leirag have entered semi-finals of the 8 M. Ravichandra Memorial Football Tournament. In the first quarter-final match played today, Mama FC Sagolband defeated LFC Kiamgai 5-3. For the winners, Sanatomba scored 3 goals while Golmai and Itomba scored 1 goal each. For the losers, Roshan, Tuisim and Vikas scored 1 goal each. In the second quarter-final match, RFC Kamnam Leirag beat KMLDO Kiamgai Muslim him 3-1. From the winning team, Sushil scored 2 goals while Naucha scored a goal. Harajit scored a lone goal for the losing team. 15 teams are participating in a tournament organized by M. Ravichandra Trust at Kiamkai Ideal High School ground. The third and the fourth quarter-final matches will be played tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Court convicts Ajay, son of BJP spokesperson Nongthombam Biren in Irom Roger murder case. Quantum of sentence to be announced on January 11. Gaikhangam downplays BJP's claim that the party will form the next government. CEO asked Chief Secretary to give information on alleged gross violation of Model Code of Conduct and recruitment and promotion in Manipur. 42nd Foundation Day of Manipur Press Club held. Chief Secretary Nabakishore stresses role of media in democracy. And Manipuri women hold discussion on Manipur today and tomorrow, stressing role of women in society.